When it comes to cooking, having the right pan can make all the difference. A versatile frying pan that combines health, convenience, and durability can transform your everyday meals into culinary masterpieces. Enter this 10-inch black granite skillet with lid, the perfect companion for every kitchen. This frying pan is more than just a tool for frying. It's a multi-purpose kitchen essential, designed to elevate your cooking experience. With its healthy, non-toxic granite coating and even heating capabilities, it's ideal for a variety of cooking styles, from sautéing to frying, and even making perfect omelets. Whether you're cooking a quick meal for yourself or preparing something special for a family dinner, this 10-inch frying pan has you covered. Key features and benefits. The granite non-stick coating on this frying pan is 100% free of harmful chemicals, such as PFOA, PFOS, lead, and cadmium. This means you can cook your favorite meals without worrying about toxic chemicals leaching into your food. With this healthy non-stick surface, you'll be able to cook using less oil, making your meals lighter and healthier without sacrificing flavor. The granite surface also ensures that food slides right off with ease, which makes cooking and cleaning much more enjoyable. The 3-layer non-stick coating on both the interior and exterior of the pan gives it superior durability. Not only does this make the frying pan incredibly easy to clean, but it also enhances the non-stick performance, meaning you can cook with less oil and still enjoy perfectly cooked meals. The non-stick surface means that you'll spend less time scrubbing after cooking, making cleanup a breeze. Whether you're cooking eggs, stir-frying vegetables, or searing meat, the food simply slides off the pan. One of the standout features of this frying pan is the ergonomic stainless steel handle, which is designed for comfort and ease of use. The handle is riveted securely to the pan, ensuring it stays firmly attached even with heavy use. The Stay Cool design means the handle won't get too hot while cooking, offering a comfortable grip that is easy on your hands even during longer cooking sessions. Plus, this handle is oven-safe up to 420 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for a wide range of recipes that require transferring from the stovetop to the oven. This 10-inch frying pan is designed to work on all types of stovetops, including induction, gas, and ceramic burners. The stainless steel composite bottom plate ensures even heat distribution and fast cooking, whether you're cooking on an induction cooktop or over an open flame. The versatility of this pan allows it to be used in virtually any kitchen setting, providing flexibility for all your cooking needs, from simple breakfasts to more elaborate dinner recipes. The included glass lid is heat-resistant and allows you to easily monitor the cooking process without lifting the lid. This feature helps to retain heat and locks in nutrients, ensuring your food stays moist, tender, and full of flavor. Pros of the 10-inch black granite frying pan with lid. Healthy, non-toxic coating, free from harmful chemicals like PFOA and PFOS. Superior non-stick surface that requires less oil for healthier cooking. 3-layer non-stick coating for enhanced durability and easy cleaning. Ergonomic stainless steel handle stays cool to the touch and is comfortable to grip. Induction compatible and works with all stovetops, including gas and ceramic. Oven safe up to 420 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for versatile cooking. Heat-resistant glass lid helps retain heat and nutrients for healthier meals. Easy to clean, saving you time after cooking. Cons of the 10-inch black granite frying pan with lid. Requires proper care. While the non-stick surface is durable, it's important to avoid using metal utensils to preserve the coating. Not dishwasher safe, so hand washing is recommended for optimal longevity. May be smaller for larger meals. While it's perfect for single servings and smaller meals, you may need a larger pan for bigger dishes or family-sized portions. Who will love this frying pan? Health-conscious cooks. If you're looking to cook with less oil and avoid harmful chemicals in your kitchenware, the 10-inch black granite frying pan is a must-have. Busy home cooks. With its easy-to-clean surface and quick, even heating, this pan is perfect for anyone with a busy lifestyle who still wants to prepare delicious, healthy meals. Induction stove owners. This pan is induction compatible, making it a great choice for those with induction cooktops who need versatile and high-quality cookware. Baking and oven enthusiasts. If you love oven-cooked dishes like frittatas or roasted veggies, this pan is oven-safe up to 420 degrees Fahrenheit, offering you the freedom to experiment with your favorite recipes. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.